So, hey, we're here.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, no big.
Okay, so first, Blastoise, you and War Turtle head east to where the rink is. He might have headed out that way.
Of course.
How are you not cold?
Take fat.
Then Venusaur and I will head north to the ravine while Charmeleon checks the old treehouse. With luck, he should just be...
Charizard, we got your message through the fire line. We might be able to help. It seems someone came home with something that's not hers. Recognized it from the description you gave me.
That's...
Hey! Where did you get that? You're that kid, aren't you? That's always picking on him? Where did you get that scarf? Did you take it from him? And don't say you found it because we both know you did, you little...
Where?
I didn't take it. I didn't do anything wrong.
Where?
He ran after us over that way. We ran up to the rocky bit and lost him when it started snowing. We just went home figuring he would too.
Good. We'll fan in a direction in the ravine then. Tracks will be covered by now. Look for the light sources.